Sea ice melting and its effects on the climate and the marine. This is a sea data chart that records the beginning and ending length of each melt season, which we see that in 2015 it was the highest. Sea ice melting also affects plants, animals, weather, and commerce, which is everything humans depend on for life. Loss of sea ice poses serious threats to indigenous species such as polar bears, foxes, seals, penguins, fish, and birds. Here we see a sea ice data chart that 2019 is the record high for ice melting. Ocean warming also increases ice melting, which causes sea levels to rise and currents that trap heat and carbon dioxide in the ocean, and that affects the global climate. Sea ice melting affects the Arctic food chain and its exports. This is what happens when sea ice melts and meets with fresh water. Melting ice sheets and its impact on our global tides affect our mussels and our sea stars. This is an example of sea ice melting and its effects on the coastal erosion that causes coastal erosion. This is the effects of ice melting on the shoreline, which causes shoreline erosion. This is called the Pacific of Debris, which is located between California and Hawaii, which is developed by the push and the pull of the currents. It is estimated that nearly 100,000 sea animals and nearly 1 million fish die yearly due to human garbage. Sea turtles are one of those affected. Sea turtle filled with trash. Trash can be transported by wind and transported by the waves carrying trash up and down the coastal lines. Seabirds are also affected and choked due to plastic. This is increased human activity of littering. This is human dumping that causes the whale to die, full of trash. Human trash and balloons inside the turtles. Birds dying from the consumption of plastic. What we can do to help improve our environment is to stop cutting down trees and start replanting trees that produce oxygen. Humans contribute to the things that harm our environment. Utilizing the proper waste cans could help eliminate some of the problems we face today. Reduce carbon emissions with food, home heating and cooling, transportation, other home energy use, and the things we buy. Replanting trees produces oxygen also. Let's make America beautiful again. America the Beautiful.